Okay, let's start again. As you can see, this beam here doesn't have to be here. So we can delete it. For sure, we will need another beam here. And now, as I told you before, this we have to move all these slightly up, like 3 inches. The problem is that we have copied this, and now the elevation is different. So that's, but anyway, we have to go up 3 inches. And now we have to select all these beams. They are pinned together, so we can unpin all the elements. And once we have unpinned the elements, now we can move all of them up 3 inches as well. 3 and 3. Okay. Now it's good because we don't have this ugly intersection here. We can cope all these elements. We have to select first, remove the truss family. And now, as you can see, we have this, well, this beam. We have to use the cope. And now it's perfect. What's the problem? Can we do this with all the beams at the same time? No, we can't. Shame, but we can't. So we have to go one by one, creating the cope. But it's worth it because that way all these intersections will be perfect. We don't have to do this with all the trusses. That would be crazy. So let's do this once. And then we will copy all the beams and all the roof. Go. Go. And now copy this. There is a warning here. What is it? Oh, because we have delete it. And now all these elements are perfectly well. What do we need? We need a beam here. It's at this level, and we need a beam there. We can go to level 36, and you see how we need a structural beam. Here. Okay. Those are correct now, but now I have to work with the rest of the beams. So I'm going to delete all these beam systems, unpin, delete, unpin, delete, select, unpin, delete. Okay, I have deleted this because I want to copy the truss and the beam system now that I have created the perfect code with all of them. So let's copy all this. Copy and select. Now, okay, so once we have this, now we can repeat all we did for the roof. Okay, I'll do it again quickly. We have a roof by extrusion. Offset 5 inches. profile. The gutter. Offset 1 inch. Okay, now we have the second roof, which is waterproof. This is 1 inch. So we have to start here, and then we will have an offset. Remember that we always have to overlap. Now the offset, 1 inch. The first one. And okay. Now we have to align. That. So this is where we started. We have the beam systems. Now we have the beam systems with this nice scope. So this intersection is quite good. And we can start copying everything. We can select We can select all these beams and this brass. Oh, we don't have this flashing here. Okay, so let's do it again. I think we can use a component. No, architecture, model in place, roof. Okay, another extrusion. And yeah, now we start it here. And this can be 1/2 inch. But now remember that we have to close this line. Okay, finish. Here and okay. And okay. This is it. Now this is protected against the water. And can we finish? Yeah, I think now we can copy all these elements because we are all set. Because the only thing we had to fix is this, that now we understand that this is better than the other way because we had this ugly intersection there. Okay, so let's copy this and this. And now from the north, we can copy, remove constraints, and copy multiple. No, last one. And we need something there. So here we have to copy everything except the curtain wall. Copy all these. And well, we have to fix this detail because as you can see, we need something here, this corner. That we are all set. The next step is the triangular wall, this one. How can we do it? Well, it's quite easy. Where does it start? It starts on level 36. We go to level 36 and we create just a wall. well, just any wall. Don't worry, because now we have to fix the wall on the elevation. We have to move it up to this element and then up to this element. Well, never mind. Because now we have to edit profile. Probably won't need this one. We place this in this align to the beam and trim. And there you go. Now, as you can see, so the roof is the roof aligned. Yes, it's aligned with the wall. Okay, that makes sense. Now you have to copy all these triangles. See? All these triangles are already closed, and remember that you have to find out what to do. Well, you have to close all these openings as well. You can use opaque walls, or you can insert windows. I think inserting windows is a good idea, but we have to use the frame. We have to annotate the distance between these two columns is 11 feet 2 inches. We can create a window, edit type, duplicate, 11 feet 2 inches. And now the height, well, the height is not relevant, but the width is 11 2 inches. I don't want any cell, and let's make it 3. What's this? Yeah, it's 11. No, 2. Okay. And now align. We're always aligning things. Great. Well, probably this is a wooden. We can change the material. You see that here we have sash. This is like wood. I think in this case using aluminum is better for everything. Aluminum. Aluminum. Perfect. Try to play with openings here, and if you have a different shape here, try to adapt all these walls to this. But we are getting closer.